Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 200 watts car power inverter, the model MG8300. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. User manual, and that's all in the box. The cable length, it is 80 centimeter, very thick. Good construction. The adapter, only input 12 volt DC for your car, not 24 volts. It is compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.4 kilogram. It is easy to carry and ideal for use on holidays, business trips and camping trips. It provides 200 watts of continuous DC to AC power and 400 watts of peak output power, enabling you to charge multiple electronic devices on the go. With dual AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, 2 fast charging orange color and 2 black regular charging. This device is ideal for powering 6 devices simultaneously. It is great for charging smartphones, laptops, tablets, give power to your TV, battery chargers, camping equipment and mobile office equipment. We have the on-off switch. It comes with an LED display for real-time monitoring of battery voltage and one indicator here when the sockets are on with this switch. It has a built-in fuse and cooling fan, there's the fan, and multiple protection measures against overcharging, overload, overcurrent, overheating, short circuits and low voltage. Nice all that, so let's move on, plug it in at my car and see how it works. I definitely want to see how much watts it can handle, the output from these two sockets. It feels very durable, well manufactured. And plug it in, we can see at the display the voltage 14.3 and on, green light. I will try to charge this battery, rate it the charger at 120 watts. And it's charging. Now we can see the voltage 12.7. Let's connect in this soldering station. On. And is increasing the temperature. I can hear in the fan. Next, I would like to charge this power bank. Fast charging. Yep, power bank is charging. Fast charging, we have a green light at the power bank. 12 volts right now, increasing the temperature. Let's go at 400 degrees Celsius. Or I can charge my smartphone. Fast charging again. And it's charging. 47% the battery, 57 minutes until fully charged. Just love it. All these devices are connected at this inverter. I really like how portable it is, the built-in safety protections and the convenience of having both AC outlets and USB ports while traveling. If you are a digital nomad, a photographer or just someone who spends a lot of time on the road, the answer is huge yes. It effectively turns your passenger seat into a workstation. The 200 watts capacity is the sweet spot. It's powerful enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro or a drone battery, but compact enough to fit in your cup holder without overheating. It's a small investment that offers massive peace of mind when your battery hits 5%. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more car tech, travel gadgets, and practical reviews. Thanks for watching, drive safe, stay powered, and I'll see you in the next one.